In this episode, we continued our trip and after visiting Malaga, we drove to the beautiful and famous town of Marbella. Marbella is one of the most popular high-end tourist destinations in Spain. It may be famous internationally for its luxury lifestyle, the designer shops, the yachts, and the nightlife of Puerto Banus. But Marbella offers much more than that, and we will try to show you both sides.
Ooh. Oh wow, but we need to be very careful not to slip.
Very careful, please.
Ooh. This is so cool. There's a rooftop pool. Well, if you come here in the summer, it's great.
We wanted to, first of all, pay a visit to the historic center of Marbella, walking along its pretty cobbled streets, leading to the beautiful Plaza de los Naranjos, or the Square of the Orange Trees, a lovely place to kick back and chill on a sunny winter day. We read great reviews about this hidden gem inside a narrow street right in the center, and we decided to give it a try. It was a tiny restaurant specialized in dishes from the neighboring province of Córdoba, and you could tell it was brimming with locals, and it was a truly authentic Andalusian tavern. We squeezed into a table and got ready to enjoy our tapas there. First, we had a tapa of mazamorra. This is a traditional Córdoba dish, which is indeed the great-grandfather of the famous gazpacho soup. Mazamorra is a chilled soup made with almonds, and interestingly, people had this soup in the old times, way before tomatoes were introduced in the Iberian Peninsula.
Oh, the olive oil is really nice. It really has some color, right?
Yeah.
That olive oil. That's perfect.
Another tapa we had was berenjenas con miel, which is fried eggplant sticks with honey. We also had salmorejo, a traditional cold soup similar to gazpacho, but made with tomato, bread, and olive oil, to which you add the toppings of your choice.
It looks so beautiful. I don't want to ruin it, but I will have to. Very creamy. This is amazing. This is amazing. Oh my. What does it have?
Almond, garlic, and olive oil.
This is so good. I'm gonna try the berenjena. Really tasty. Okay, I want to try it.
Salmorejo.
That's very good salmorejo. So far, I love everything.
This is a tapa of croquetas de rabo de toro, or oxtail stew croquettes, another traditional dish in Andalusia. We accompanied the croquetas with some more rabo de toro and some regional goat and sheep cheese, queso payoyo, named after the payoya goats in the mountains of Cadiz.
got this sandwich with guacamole and cheese, which is not traditional, but I want to try it.
Nothing here is traditional.
Let's see.
Hopping on the plane, hit a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it. Why don't you feel the same? Down, 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 down. Knew you were different from the start.
Of course, when coming to Marbella, you must pay a visit to Puerto Banus and its famous marina. Puerto Banus is all about luxury, with its exclusive designer shops, its stunning waterfront views, its yachts, restaurants, bars, and nightclubs. Puerto Banus was built in the 70s to attract the international jet set to Marbella and Costa del Sol, and it continues to be this attractive or even more nowadays.